Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an income and expense tracking spreadsheet with a monthly overview. We'll start by setting up the structure. Open a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets or Excel. Create a sheet called Transactions, and add 4 column headers: date, category, description, and amount. This is where every income and expense will be logged. Next, create a simple tab or area to the side for your category lists, and add another tab called Monthly Overview. If you'd rather not build from scratch, consider starting with a template, then customizing it to match the layout I'm describing. A quick tip: format the date column as a proper date and the amount column as currency, and freeze the header row so it stays visible as you scroll. Now populate your categories. List your income types, such as salary, freelance, or investments. Then list your expense categories, like rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and entertainment. To make data entry faster and more consistent, turn the category column on the transactions sheet into a drop-down. In Google Sheets, go to Data, choose Data Validation, click Add Rule, select drop-down from a range, and point it to your category list. In Excel, use Data Validation and choose List. Keeping this standardized prevents typos from breaking your summary formulas later. With that in place, begin recording transactions. For income, enter the date, choose the correct income category from the drop-down, add a short description if you like, and type the amount. For expenses, do the same using your expense categories, for example, grocery store, in the description, then the amount. Keep one transaction per row for clarity. Next, set up automatic calculations. On the Monthly Overview tab, build a simple summary showing total income, total expenses, and your net savings for a chosen month. You can pull data from the transactions sheet using sum, SUMIF, or filter-based formulas. For example, to total a specific income category such as salary, you could use equals sum, filter, transactions, amount, transactions, category equals, salary, if your spreadsheet supports filter. Calculate net savings by subtracting total expenses from total income, like equals total income total expenses. If you track by month, include date criteria in SUMIF or SUMIFs to target the right period. Finally, review and analyze. Check your monthly overview regularly to see how spending aligns with your goals. Add charts, such as a bar chart comparing expense categories, to visualize patterns at a glance. Consider conditional formatting to flag overspending in certain categories. As your needs evolve, edit your categories or refine formulas. Your spreadsheet should grow with you. Keep entering transactions consistently, and you'll have a reliable, customizable snapshot of your finances every month. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.